Hey everyone, it's Emily from myclosetrocks.com, where we sell pre-authenticated designer fashion at a fraction of retail price. Before we get into things, if you are feeling nice today, please give me a thumbs up on this video or subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. I just got back from the Louis Vuitton boutique and I was really excited for this new limited edition since 1854 collection. And I was really excited that the Petit Sac Plat was included in this collection, since I still have not been able to get it in the monogram print. So as soon as I saw it, I put it on hold and I just picked it up today. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you guys, but I've also bought a couple more pieces from the collection. So I'm going to do a full review of the collection in about a week. So hit that alert button so you get a notification as soon as the video is posted. Here it is. I only saw it for a second and before they boxed it up. All right, so here it is in its little dust bag. And this retails for $1,520 plus tax, which is a little pricey for such a tiny bag, but it is one of the more moderately priced items from the collection. So I think it's kind of a really good entry point, especially for limited edition. And for this particular style of bag, which is hard to find, I am pretty happy with the purchase. Woo! So here it is in the Bordeaux, and unfortunately it does not come in the kind of black and white color scheme. It only comes in this one. So it's got a darker brown leather on it. So you can see what it looks like from all sides. So it's got that 1854 print on the front, the back, the bottom, and then the sides are a kind of dark brown leather. It has gold hardware, and then of course it comes with a long strap, which is also that darker leather. Here's what the interior looks like. It's got one little slip pocket in there, and here's what it looks like with the strap attached. I will also show you what it looks like on, so you can see if it's a bag that will work for you, since this strap is not adjustable. However, the drop on the strap is 20.9 inches. This is so cute. It's about the size of my face, but if you know me, you know I love a good mini bag. And I love that there's no zipper or anything, so it's really easy to grab your stuff, but it will fit really snugly in there so you don't have to worry about it falling out, because it is more of a rectangle rather than something shallow where your phone could potentially fall out. And here's just a little comparison to the mini pochette accessoire. So it's just a little bit bigger than that. Not a ton, but you can definitely fit more in here than you can in here. So here's my phone. It's a Pixel 3a. And it should fit just fine in here. If you do have an XL phone, it should also fit as well. And with my case, in that little slip pocket, I can't fit it all the way in. I just took off the case and it does fit in there, and it's barely peeking out at the top. But you can use this pocket for like a little wallet, whatever. It doesn't have to be your phone. Just wanted to show you kind of the size of the pocket in the interior. See what else fits in here. I've got a key pouch that I can fit in with all my credit cards. Here's my key holder. There's that. And then here are my sunglasses. They fit right there. And then there's like a little bit of room left for like your chapstick. You can slide that in there. And basically you have everything you kind of need for small outings. You can't fit a ton of stuff in here, but this is all I need personally. So this is like the perfect size for me. So here's what everything looks like inside. I like kind of the vintage look that it has, and I think that's obviously what they were going for. And it's also not like a pure white with this Bordeaux on the pattern. So I feel like it should wear fairly well if you do have any like kind of rubbing on it or anything like that, or discoloration. It shouldn't show up very easily, which is really nice. All right, now I'm gonna show you what it looks like on. The strap is detachable, so that's kind of cool. You can have it just as a little like hand/wrist bag. but I mean, I just think having this crossbody strap is fairly essential for this bag. And it is a little bit long on me if I wanted to wear this as like a shoulder bag. I am 5'4", and it kind of hits me mid-thigh, so I definitely want to wear a crossbody. It is a little long, but I don't mind. I'm used to that, being a little shorter. Thank you guys so much for watching this review of the Since 1854 collection. I want to know what your thoughts are on the collection, and of course, I'm going to have another video soon with unboxings of the Neverfull tote, as well as a complete review of the full collection. Thanks again!